Hello everyone! Welcome back to Hashmi English Tutor. This is day 9 of our 30-day English Fluency Challenge. Today's lesson is another exciting, slow English story. Remember, listen carefully, repeat after us, and don't worry about making mistakes. Ryan, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Today's topic sounds exciting. I can't wait to hear today's story.
Wonderful! Today's story is called, "Oh no, we missed the train." Let's begin. It was a beautiful Sunday morning. Ryan and his friend Alex were going to visit another city. They planned a one-day trip by train. Both of them were very excited. They packed their bags the night before. Everything seemed perfect.
Ryan woke up early. He got dressed. He ate breakfast. He checked his train ticket. Then he called Alex. "Good morning. Are you ready?" Alex replied, "Almost. I'll be there in 5 minutes."
5 minutes became 10 minutes, then 15 minutes. Ryan looked at his watch again. He started feeling worried. Our train leaves at 9 o'clock.
Finally, Alex arrived. "I'm so sorry. I couldn't find my jacket." Ryan smiled politely. "It's okay. Let's hurry." Both friends jumped into a taxi.
The taxi driver drove as fast as possible. The roads were busy. Traffic lights turned red. Cars moved very slowly. Ryan kept looking at the time. 9 o'clock, 9:02, 9:04. His heart started beating faster.
When they reached the railway station, they heard the train whistle. Both friends ran toward platform 3. They waved their hands. "Please, wait!" But the train slowly started moving. A few seconds later, it disappeared.
Ryan stopped running. He took a deep breath. Alex looked disappointed. "We missed it." Both friends stood silently. They couldn't believe it.
Alex felt guilty. "I'm really sorry. This happened because I was late." Ryan smiled kindly. "Don't worry. Everyone makes mistakes. Let's find another train."
They walked to the information desk. A friendly station employee checked the computer. "Good news! The next train leaves in 1 hour." Ryan and Alex smiled happily.
They bought 2 cups of coffee. They sat on a bench. They talked about school, friends, movies, and future travel plans. Waiting didn't feel boring anymore.
1 hour later, the next train arrived. This time, Ryan and Alex boarded the train early. They found comfortable seats near the window. The train slowly left the station. Both friends smiled.
Alex looked at Ryan and said, "Today I learned something important." Ryan asked, "What is it?" Alex replied, "Always leave home early." Ryan laughed. "Exactly."
Sometimes missing something teaches us a valuable lesson. Being on time can save us from stress. Planning ahead makes every journey easier.
Repeat after us. "We missed the train." "Please hurry. The train is leaving." "Don't worry, we'll catch the next train." "Always be on time." We learned an important lesson.
Ryan, have you ever missed a train or a bus?
Yes, once I missed my train. I felt disappointed, but I stayed calm. I waited for the next train. Everything was fine.
Excellent. Now it's your turn. Everyone watching, answer this question in English. Have you ever missed a train, bus, or flight? What happened next? Write your answer in the comments. Practice every day and your English will become stronger.
Today's story was fun. I learned many new words, and I also learned the importance of time.
That's wonderful. Keep listening, keep repeating, keep speaking. Tomorrow, we'll come back with another exciting, slow English story. Until then, take care, Keep smiling and keep learning English. See you in day 10.